I'm Steve King, application engineer with 3M Company. And we're here at the CTIA show for 2014 at the 3M booth. And one of the things I'd like to talk about is the exciting new introduction of our Slim-Lock closure specifically for the mini DIN and N-type connectors. So the Slim-Lock closure for DIN 716 that you see right here was launched approximately 2 years ago, and to date it's been a great seller for us. The key features of this particular device are that it's re-enterable, as well as it's one-handed operation to install. But one of the things that we see, as you can notice over here, is a trend towards more dense, smaller connectors. The reason why is that many of these antennas we see in the industry now have multi-bands, they could be MIMO, and have many different RF connectors. And to that end, we saw the evolution towards the so-called mini DIN connector. So there's an older style called 4.1 9.5 and a new one 4.310, which is shown here. It's made by a number of different manufacturers, but you'll notice the much smaller form factor than the old DIN 716. So we're launching the Slim-Lock Mini for this particular application. Once again, the feature set's the same. One-handed operation, like this. It has a gel pad inside, thermoplastic elastomer that highlights 3M's material science. And then we have basically the enclosure over the top. It simply slides over.